Now we have an interesting concept now which is about standard connectors. Think of a universal charging port that lets you plug in different devices without requiring custom adapters, just like this. Standard connectors in Databricks serve the same purpose. They provide built in pre configured integrations to common data sources like cloud storage, databases, and software as a service applications, that is, SaaS applications. This eliminates or removes the need for complex custom coding and ensures reliable, governed data movement. By using standard connectors, pipelines become easier to build, faster to deploy, and consistent across diverse workloads.